To hide navigation and status bars when in split screen view on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, you have to enable full screen in split screen view option. To do so, swipe down the top of the screen and then tap setting icon. Scroll down the screen to find advanced features. Tap advanced features. Tap multi-window. And then tap the gray on option next to full screen in split screen view until the switch turns blue to turn it on. To see how this feature works, open two apps in split screen view. You can see that when you are in split screen view, the navigation and status bar will be hidden, so you can see more of each app. If you need to use navigation bar or status bar, you can view them by swiping up from the bottom of the screen like this, or by swiping down from the top of the screen like this. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.